Yeah. That's not fun. Everything you own in the box to the left. Woo! What's up, everybody? We're back. We're at it again. Today is actually a special day. You know that rattling piece of shit exhaust that's on my bike? Yeah, it's being fixed today. I just got a brand new exhaust tip. We're going to be trying to do a full system on the bike over winter. But I wanted to fix the muffler today. So that's what we're doing. Muffler literally came in this morning. I was out camping. I am on my way home now. Happy Acres Campground. It's actually a pretty nice place if you are in Wisconsin, toward the south side of Wisconsin, Kenosha, Racine, Oak Creek, Franklin, that kind of area. I mean, even from my house, or my work, was only like an hour. It ain't too bad. Alright, let's do this. So, bike really didn't cool down much, I'll be honest. I have to wait for a buddy of mine, so I figure let's get tackling this now. Because he has to do his oil. We get to put this guy on. So this is the... or outside. This is the LeoVince, or LeoVince, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the LV10. This is, it's Black Edition. And it's replacing this knockoff wannabe Acro. So it'll sit right about like that. I didn't bring the key out with me, so I can't show you why I'm replacing this. But because that's still going to be hot to the touch, so I'm not going to touch it very much. That's the rattling noise we've been hearing. I don't know if you remember that one ride where we were going down some twisties with somebody I don't really talk to anymore. One of his old work buddies. Realized that a clamp fell and it's been rattling ever since. So now we get to replace it. This is only part of what I really want to do. I'm really hoping this, I have it up here so I can see what I'm doing, see how it looks for you guys. But yeah. Now the only thing here is, don't think I can use it's a 12. Was that even a 13 that I grabbed? 14, 15, 16. Is there really no 13? Do we have two 10s? Oh, it's right there. Oh, there's neighbor's buddy. Yeah. But it's the same on the other side, so still gonna make quick work of this. So I need this one. It's gonna fit that like that. Or not. We're just gonna... I guess loosening this would help. Yeah, we're just gonna break this loose once I get the ratchet head back on. Like that. That ain't right. I don't know if you're seeing what's happening there. But if we look right there at the exhaust, it's pulling it apart. Okay. Okay. There we go. Ignore, well, I guess you don't have to. Neighbor and a buddy of his are going out for a little bit. And they went the other way. Oh, the other one. They went the other way. Now, from some of you guys who are coming from TikTok, you might recognize this POV. This was my POV when I worked at Rosen, when I did the oil changes on the TikToks. Pull that off. Now, I gotta figure out if that's just a spacer because of how this sits. Oh, it is. Okay, good. I don't know if the camera's picking up how much this thing is wiggling. Okay. So slide that on. Slide this over. Now we're actually gonna unthread the bolt that I just threaded. Get ready with that spacer. Bam. Just gonna reach around the back here. Actually, before we do that, is this ironically also a 13? Yes, perfect. Now, part of me wants to just start twisting this back here, which is actually kind of working. But you can also see that there it is. That actually got tighter than I thought it would. And I need to grab this little guy because I don't have my actual Allens with me. He is here. Damn, that thing's muddier than I thought it was. Thanks, yo, parking.
Oh, what?
You're blocking Jesse in, bro.
Put another windshield. We started a collection. Fine.
Okay, that's all I needed this stuff for.
Woo! What's up, boss man? How's it going?
Going.
Some goodies.
That's what you need. That's all for you. Oh, and the socks. Those are our rags. Go him.
That's the dry rags you have, just socks.
Yep.
Tidy whitey socks.
Yep.
So are you.
What is he complaining about? A what?
I don't know. What? Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, if you put them in the washer, they'll
That's
get
gonna
washed.
be really loud, I think.
There's not much difference. It's just held on better.
That's fair.
Like that's already, that even looks a lot better.
It does, actually. I don't know how the fuck I'm getting this photo.
That's on you. I only tighten it by hand. But while the oil is draining out, let's take a quick appreciation to the new exhaust. It's a little quieter. It sounds a hell of a lot better. I know in the last clip I said that was where I was ending the video from his oil change. I want to hear how this sounds on the road, so I'm going to bring you guys with. I got a quick run to Best Buy and pick up a new set of headphones for my computer. So I figure a perfect time. Bring you guys to Best Buy. And that was also at a cold start. So you got to hear how it sounds at cold. We're gonna quick go by his house just so he can hear it. Except he's not at his house. I don't know which direction he went. Oh, he is there. What does he want? What does he want? He's just like... What's up?
I want to hear you full send it out. I want to hear it at the distance.
Okay. He wants to hear me do a full send out of here. The pop sounds so much crisper too. Woo! Oh, really? That sounds so nice compared to the piece of shit one I had. Alright, this will be the test to end all tests. Tunnel or bridge. Fuck yeah!